Dealing with a subtraction of the rational numbers. There is also two conditions if the denominator is same or a denominator is a different. Like as you see in an example, the 3/2 minus 1/2 is answer is 2/2. This is 2/2 is also a rational number. Or if a denominator is different, suppose the 7/4 minus 7/3, the denominators are different. Properties of subtraction on a rational number. First is a closure property. If x and y are the two rational numbers, then x minus y is also a rational number. Suppose we take this as a 1/7 minus 1/8, it's come 1/6. It is 2/11 minus 1/11. Answers come as 1/11. This is also a rational number. The next property of 0. Whenever we add or subtract any number with 0, there is no effect on their result. Suppose we taking as a 1/2 minus 0 is also come as a 1/2. Whenever the adding, there is no effect on their result. Now the next topic is multiplications of rational numbers. How to multiply the rational numbers. First the example, for the question is arises there, how to multiply the rational numbers. The simple form of, suppose we taking as a 3y7 multiply with 4y3. So the simple is the product of the two rational numbers is always the product of their numerators and the product of their denominators, means 4 into 3/3. So the answer is come as a 4/7. The product of the numerator upon the product of the denominators. Next topic, properties of the multiplications on a rational numbers. First is the closure property, which means the product of the rational numbers is also the result, whatever it comes is also a rational number. Suppose we taking as a product of same as 1/2 into 1/3. The answer is come as 1/6. 1/2 is a rational number, 1/3 is also a rational number, and 1/6 is obviously the rational numbers. Now we come in a second properties, this is called associated property, which means if we firstly solve the two rational number, let we suppose the three rational number x, y, z's are any three rational numbers. Then if we multiply firstly z, y and z, and after multiplying the whole thing with x is equals to the firstly you multiplying the x and y, and then we multiply with whole thing with z. For example, we multiply the 3/4 into 5/4 into 6/5, or we can multiply this 3/4 into 5/4 into 6/5. This is known as associated properties. Now third property is a commutative property. For any two rational numbers x and y, we know that if we multiply the 2/3 multiply with 1/2 or equals to a 1/2 multiply with 2/3. The answer is also same. If we replace the values, there is nothing effect on their result. Now the next one is a multiplicative identities. If x is any rational number, then if we multiply any number by 1, there is no change in their result. For example, taking as a 2 multiply with 1 always comes 2, or we take this 1/3 multiply with 1 is always 1/3. Same as whenever next property is property of 0. The multiplication of any rational number by 0 is 0 itself. For example, if we multiply any value whenever it is natural number, whole number, integer, whenever we multiply something with 0, the answer is coming as 0. So suppose we taking as a rational number 1/6, or we can take as 10/11. Whenever you multiply these rational numbers or any one of them multiply with 0, the answer will come at 0, because the any value, any digit, any number multiply with 0, the result which come is obviously the 0. The next property is known as a distributive properties of multiplication over additions. If the x, y and z's are the any three rational number, then the x multiplication with within a bracket y plus z is equals to the x into y and x into z. फर्स्टली पहले x का मल्टीप्लिकेशन y के साथ, फिर प्लस साइन का यूज़ करके प्लस सेम टू सेम एज, और फिर z का x का मल्टीप्लिकेशन z के साथ। सपोज अपन ले लेते हैं इसको, x ले लिया अपन ने 1/2 और यहाँ ले लिया अपन ने 3/4 और प्लस 7/3। इट इज़ सेम एज 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ फर्स्टली दिस 3/4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर उसको 1/2 को 7/3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। तो ये होती है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स। वी नो दैट द डिवीजन इज अ इनवर्स ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी डिवाइड समथिंग लाइक दैट, दिस 3/4 divided with 1/2, so simply we are just inverse this 3/4 minus इसका 1/2 का अपोजिट होगा रेसिप्रोकल 2/1, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 6/4। तो सेम एज इट इज़ प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं जिसे अपन डिवीज़न ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स में यूज़ करेंगे। यहाँ पे भी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ डिवीज़न ऑन अ रेशनल नंबर्स। If x and y are any two rational numbers and y does not equal to 0, then x divided by y is always a rational number, which means this 6/2 or 3/2 is also a rational number, or we take 2 divided by 1/4. The answer is coming as 1/2 say as it is. When we reciprocal this division, whenever we changing this division sign, the sign will changing in a multiplication, or the value is reciprocal. Reciprocal means just opposite. 1/2 मतलब 2/1 उसका opposite. The answer is come as 2. So this 2 is 2/1. This is also a rational number, and they are also a rational numbers. For any rational numbers, we dividing with 1, there is no effect on their result. For example, if we divided 5/11 divided by 1, the answer is come as 5/11. If we divide same value 5/11 divided with minus sign, the sign will also change. The answer is coming as -5/11. If we dividing any minus value, the answer of the result of the division also change. Third property, if x, y, z are the rational numbers, then we यहाँ पे ये हुआ है कि पहले x को z से डिवाइड करेंगे, x को z से डिवाइड करेंगे साइन एज इट इज, फिर y को z से डिवाइड करेंगे, सेपरेट डिवाइड करेंगे, जैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में करते हैं ना, सेपरेट मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसी तरीके से। इफ़ अगर ये प्लस का साइन है तो यहाँ प्लस का आ जाएगा, और अगर माइनस का है तो पहले z से डिवाइड करेंगे x को, फिर y को डिवाइड करेंगे z से। और फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी है, फॉर एनी नॉन ज़ीरो रेशनल नंबर्स, इफ़ x डिवाइडेड बाय x, द आंसर वी नो दैट obviously come as 1. If we divide x with minus x, the answer, the sign is minus what comes, and the minus x divided by x. यहाँ कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो माइनस साइन न्यूमरेटर में या डिनोमिनेटर। अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर किसी भी जगह पे अगर एक जगह माइनस साइन आएगा, जैसे 1/1 होता है तो आंसर तो 1 आता है, और 2/1 होता है तो 1 आता है। अगर 2 डिवाइडेड बाय -2 हो तो यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन आता है, -1। या ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि -2 डिवाइडेड विथ +2, तो भी आंसर -1 आता है। तो whenever the minus comes, the result is also come as a minus. Multiplication inverse, if p/q and q are non-zero is our rational numbers, then p/q is our reciprocal of p/q, and we as write as this. मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वर्स मतलब कि उसका अपोजिट पी अपॉन क्यू का अपन ने सपोज कर लिया, लेट अपन ने सपोज कर लिया कि पी अपॉन क्यू दो रेशनल नंबर्स हैं, और इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वर्स होगा क्यू अपॉन पी। और अगर अपन को इसी तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो इसके ऊपर -1 का पावर होल ब्रैकेट में लगा के इसके ऊपर -1 का पावर दे देंगे, तो इसका मीनिंग ये होगा कि क्यू अपॉन पी। इन्वर्स मीन्स होता है अपोजिट। जैसे मैंने कहा कि यहाँ इसका इन्वर्स बताइए और रेसिप्रोकल बताइए। 1/2 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 2। और वी कैन से दैट कि सपोज 3/4 का रेसिप्रोकल 4/3। इसी को इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, अगर जैसे नोटेशंस हैं ये।